Today on the podcast, we're talking about another yummy, creative, and fun Hungarian Christmas tradition you can start with friends and family. Well, hello! Welcome to the Hungarian Living podcast. I'm your host, Elizabeth Szabó-Voss. Our goal is to discover, celebrate, and share Hungarian heritage and encourage you to do it too. We'll touch on food, travel, history, music, language, genealogy, and share stories from our guests. We're glad you're here. This is a podcast where we'll explore Hungarian heritage in a variety of ways. We'll introduce you to some fun people and organizations who love their Hungarian heritage and share some great resources with you so you can get connected to your Hungarian heritage in a deeper way. So whether you know a little or a lot about being Hungarian, this is the place to be. This is part 6 of the Itsy Bitsy series of celebrating Christmas with Hungarian style on the Hungarian Living podcast. Have you ever made Hungarian honey cakes or mézeskalács? It's not too hard to make them, and they are so fun to decorate. Even I can decorate them, and they can look halfway decent, and that is saying something. There is a link in the show notes with a recipe. I encourage you to bake some of these cookies and invite some friends or cousins over for an adult mézeskalács decorating party. Of course, the kids can be a part of this too, but sometimes it's nice to have some mulled wine and have a creative party with some adults you enjoy spending time with. Enjoy the season and enjoy celebrating with Hungarian style. Be sure to check out the show notes for a link to a great recipe. And we will have another idea for you in part 7. Please recommend the Hungarian Living podcast to someone you know who loves their Hungarian heritage. And we'll catch you next time. Do you want to learn the Hungarian language, Hungarian history, or learn how to research the Hungarian side of your family? We've got you covered. Check out all our learning opportunities as well as meaningful books and gifts at thehungarianstore.com. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode of the Hungarian Living podcast, please share it with someone you know who loves their Hungarian heritage. If you own a business and would like to talk about sponsoring an episode of the podcast, please contact us at podcast@hungarianliving.com for more information. Special thanks to Stephen Chichek and the Animal Cannibals for the show music. Check out our show notes for links to resources mentioned in this episode. If you have a question or comment, we'd love to hear from you. We'll catch you next time.